staying connected without breaking the bank. Staying online while traveling doesn't have to come with exorbitant roaming charges. Many airports, cafes, and hotels offer free Wi-Fi, allowing you to stay connected without spending a dime. Download offline maps and translation apps before you leave home to navigate seamlessly even without internet access. International SIM cards or prepaid data plans are often more affordable than using your home carrier's roaming services. Purchasing a local SIM card on arrival gives you access to local rates for calls and data, making communication both easy and budget-friendly. Portable Wi-Fi devices or hotspots can also be a lifesaver, especially for group travel. Sharing the cost among friends or family ensures everyone stays connected without the need for multiple plans. Being strategic about your data use is key. Save bandwidth by downloading content like music, movies, or travel guides ahead of time. With a little planning, you can stay connected and share your travel adventures without burning through your budget.